Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com. What we are looking here is the New Zealand dollar US dollar daily chart, and you might wonder what on earth am I doing in looking at the daily chart when you trade binary options. Well, the thing is that I want you to see the bigger picture and then to go on the lower time frame to see how to trade this one. I am bearish on the pair. I want to buy puts and I want to have expiration dates, at least 1 week expiration date. So either end of week, because this is Monday, or 1 week expiration date would go with me and will be just fine. The thing is, and the problem with this pattern is the fact that the high here is being made in a 3 waves move. As you can see, if you clone this one, so the highs is being made in a 3 waves move, and this 3 waves move, ABC, established a new high. Because of that, we are looking at a possible terminal impulse, like the name suggests, and terminal impulse is a contracting triangle that should be labeled A, B, C, D, E. So this would be a wave A of a bigger degree, let's say wave A. Then normally this would be a B wave of a lower of the same degree, sorry. A, B here. Of course that we are looking at a C wave to come to the upside, A, B, C. And of course a D wave to the downside. And just like that, we are looking at a possible E wave, and this E wave seems to be around the current levels price is making. Now we are entering a week, an important week in terms of a lot of uncertainties in the United States surrounding the debt ceiling talks, the deadline, and so on and so forth. So I'm looking for market to still consolidate into between these A and C and B to D trend lines, and this is being called the terminal impulse that I'm referring to. So I'm looking for the price actually to go to the downside, and I would like to buy puts, but not just like that. I would like to buy puts by the time these lows are going to be broken. Why these lows are going to be broken? Why when these lows are going to be broken? Because normally it would imply that the move to the upside here, the 5-way structure, is going to be done. So wait for this trend line to be broken. While this is a daily chart, it is just showing you a strategy for the medium to long term. So wait for this trend line to be broken and engage into buying puts. And normally the buying puts should be from the short to very short and even to long-term expiration date, because such a triangle would break lower. So by the moment that one is going to be broken, I am looking to buy puts. So let's just write here, buying puts with 1 week expiration date by the time the horizontal blue line is broken. So let's make this one, put it here, let's make it a bit bigger. And then make this one blue line. And this is the target that we are looking for in order to engage into buying puts. Whenever you are looking to buy puts, then you should take into consideration the fact that price at the expiration date should be lower than the striking price. Striking price meaning the price that you bought the option for. This move here looks to be an impulsive move. Either the 4th wave is done here, or we are going to form a contracting triangle, and this would take a bit longer. But nevertheless, this seems to be bearish as an E wave. So look for price to turn to the downside. For the more aggressive traders, I would still buy only puts based on this outcome. First of all, I am also bearish on the Australian dollar, US dollar, but I am extremely bullish on the Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar. So basically this would drag the New Zealand dollar or the Kiwi to the downside quite fast and quite strong. Normally legs of a triangles retrace pretty much out of the previous leg. Take a look here. Price makes the first high here with a leg of a triangle, retraces the leg of a triangle more than 80%, more than 80%, more than 80%, and here also this is something like 70-75% retracement already. So looking for price here to turn to the downside as well. Now, this is what I wanted to show you for today. Keep in mind this is not a short-term trade that one should make, but it is most likely the guide or the roadmap for the rest of the year in terms of what the New Zealand dollar US dollar might do. Bullish on the pair, bullish on the bearish on the pair, bearish on the outcome, and therefore I'm going to buy puts and looking only for price to go lower, but we'll take this one step by step. Go first on the 1 hour chart and on the 4 hour chart, and then going higher until this time frame in order to trade the puts. When you are identifying a trend, this is not a trend yet, but when the blue line is going to be broken, it's going to be a trend. So when you're identifying a trend, try to trade the end of the beginning of day, the beginning of the week with end of week expiration dates for that outcome. So thank you very much for being here, and keep in mind this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and until next time, stay safe on the markets. Bye bye.